Got me falling right back.
Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today, guys, we're gonna carry on with some SlimeRancher. I might need to actually turn my video down just because I'm recording. Oh no, I've clicked continue. This is my other time. Oh, you guys might see a lot here. Whoops. Let me just look down straight away. Save and quit. That's a different one, and you guys might not have seen the other one yet. Oh, dude, I'm so skint on this. Need some more money. So I'm gonna show you a cheat on this one again, but I need money, I think. Jetpack. Oh no, I don't. I've got it. Okay. Oh, I can't carry anymore. Oh wow. And there's no sprinklers or anything. It's like literally nothing. Okay. Well, let's go anyways. Now you may be thinking, bro, when are we gonna see the vaults open? You'll see. You'll see. But we're gonna save a key today. We have to see on episode 3 possibly. It will be the opening. We might not open that one because I know what's actually over there, and it's not the best because I have wasted a key before. I think we need to go this way first. The way that you guys have only seen. Oh. Well, there's angry slimes, and I'm saving. See, I just saved all of you. You should be thankful. Now, you probably haven't seen over here yet. Oh, you've seen the tabby slime, but you guys probably haven't seen over here yet. Need to run. So, this is the cheat. If you go over here, you may see a door. You're like, are we going to open that one? No, we're going to go on top of it. We're going to skip using a key. Now, I hope the people who made SlimeRancher are not watching my videos, because if they are, that's just upsetting for me. Because then I won't be able to do this ever again. And then I'll have to buy one. So you go on there. Then you come up here. And then we should have enough boost to get to there. Which will make us go around the vault instead. So, bang. So that's where you'd be entering. So that would open, you'd go, ah. You'd go up here, you'd go, ah, cool. This is when we get juicy. And now you may think, oh, just casual slimes. Jesus Christ, where the hell did you come from? What's up? I don't see a monster. Me don't see no monster, and if there is a monster, I'm running. So yeah, sorry, bye. So let's see if we can find the slimes we are looking for. Some big lava slimes, because they're good. We're gonna mix them with the other slimes. Huh. I can't find any, so we might need to go this way. Yeah, those type, kind of like those we're looking for. Oh, there's honey slimes. You guys haven't seen some of those yet, so might as well get some. I'll get 2. Uno, dos. So that's 2, because we don't need more than 2. We also need to go this way, because I can't find the slimes I'm looking for. Aha! Here it is. A boom slime. And another one. So we want 3. 3. Yeah. Let's take 3 and let's go home. Wait, we might be able to go home this way. Wait, we need one more honey then. Aha! Honey. Did I get you? Yeah, I got you. Okay. Those are puddle slimes, which I'm not going to get into yet. So as we're over here, actually, I want to have a little look around. I want to see if we can find a key to, well, a vault that we can open. Because there's these certain slimes which I really want to find, but I forgot how to find them. Ooh. See, I don't know what these are. I literally don't. I'm going to take it home with me anyways. It's a different one. I'm not bothering. I'm just going to go home now. Because now we've got the slimes we want, so we're going to mix them. But first we need places. So actually we need to put this with them. Because I don't know what they are yet. So yeah. So we should probably put 3 boom slimes in here. We need to upgrade the walls, definitely. I can't. You guys eat chickens, I think. You should do. So we need 3. Good. Actually, what's their favourite? I might have their favourite. But oh no, I don't. Eat some. Eat some. Share. Good. 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 Give me some. Give me those monies. Oh, they might be enough. 43. Oh no, I need more. At least I saved the veggies for you guys, because you guys haven't had your dinners. So you can have all of these. Hey, do you guys want to see some mixing? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to mix with those rock slimes with these guys. But we need some more money. Because like you know, these slimes can go over walls. That's why we've got higher walls. Why do I have a stone head in my inventory? And that should be enough. Oh, I forgot the same sum. Oh well. I need high walls anyways. High walls really important. How much is it for us airsoft? I'm gonna need some more money. Right, so we take this, and take one more. Ouch. Right. Then this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna feed him, feed him, feed him. That's what happens. Now, if I got a pink one and then I fed it to them, do you know these creepy monsters? That's what they would turn into. I think it's 3. So yeah, he looks pretty cute. Problem is, those are 2 dangerous ones. 1, it explodes, and 2, they charge at you. So they're very dangerous. So now we don't need these little guys. I know, it's sad to see him go, but we don't need them anymore. So now we can get rid of them. So then you chuck them over here, and they mix with other slimes, and then they give us money when we go over there. So it's kind of handy and kind of not. Huh? Ah. Put it in there. Okay, some of these. Oh, we can't run out. What do you want? If it's some more slimes, I'm not giving you any more. Oh, I just got rid of them all. And there's also one I can't get. Oh no, I might be able to. Let's go and see. Oh, I forgot about it. I've got honey slimes. I think it said these. It said like 9 or something of these. Let's take all of these. Oh, we've definitely got enough. Eat these. Monkeys. Eat something. Oh, I need the rock slimes to eat something for once. Not those though. Eat these then. You know you wanna. Oh, really? You're gonna do me like that so bad? Well, I'm just basically giving you all free food. Give me at least some back then. Go away, pink slimes. We will mix something with the honey slimes, but not yet. Because I know what I want to mix them with, and we don't have those types of things, so we can't. I shouldn't have got rid of those rock slimes. Oh well. It'll do. Oh, I should have picked that one guy up. Oh well. Oh hi, man. You see my dog there? Yeah. He's a little cutie. Eight. When does this refresh? Because I'm not doing this for 8. Oh wait, I also need to put them in here. How much money do I get? 250, 18 carats. Sure. But I need other things first. I wish you gave me 500 money. I wish you guys ate something. Aha! Stealing you. What do you eat? Fruit. Okay, I can do that. Just watch. Eat it. Good boy. It's only one, right? Yeah, so now I need 2. 2 rocks. Come on. Dummy. I don't actually want to kill you because you're actually my children. There should be tons here, so. One, 2, let's go! Now you guys, I need some more money, you know. You know me, money. Skint, unfortunately. At least I'm not in real life. Right. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to that place which had a honey slime. The honey slimes and the boom slimes. Go back over there. Nice. Oh, I need to go over here. Chickens go in there. Good. Oh, can't carry anymore. So let's go back to that other place. Actually, yeah, let's go back. It's very late though. It's 10 o'clock in the game, not in real life. Real life, it's 5 o'clock. How to count there? So you guys might see the first key open today. Exciting. I wish I was better at doing thumbnails. I need someone to do thumbnails for me. But I'm too young to really do stuff. Well, because I'm not going to be popular when I'm young. Or I'm probably not even at all. But yeah. Because I can't be on every day. I'm not like Face High Sky. And other people. But I enjoy just playing games. It's a thing I love to do. And that's what's important. Do something that you like to do. I like doing gaming. So, what's the point in doing gaming when you don't earn anything? So, might as well YouTube. So that's what some of you guys watching this video and go, I love playing games. And then I'm telling you now that you should try doing YouTubes yourself, because you're not getting anything by playing games. Like, yeah, you might be going to your mum and dad and going, "Mom, Dad, there's a cool new skin in the item shop today. Can I get some V-Bucks?" They go, "No." They say, "Earn it your own way, earn your own money." And you're like, "Yeah, but please, Dad." And they're like, "No." So, pay for yourself while doing YouTube videos. You like playing? You doing it. Bang! I've got a map. Right. So where's somewhere which I haven't been? So I'm here now. There's a place here. Oh, there's a place here. I don't know what that is though. Oh wait, I think I've been there. Wait, where's the entrance? How did I get here? Oh no, wait, that's how I got here. So that's where I... Oh wait, that's not where I live. Where I live is here. No, here. I don't know anymore. But I think it's somewhere around here. Oh no way, I can't be. Well, anyways, so I came from here, I feel. And I've earned all of this. I wouldn't be able to. Let's look at this. So if that's where I am now, I can get over there. So if I go this way, if I could fly. Wait, let's go to the honey queen, which is over here. You guys haven't seen her yet. Maybe. I don't think you have. Maybe, actually, I don't think you guys have been over this way yet. Oopsies, no, go away, please, no. Run! Ah, over there. Now, over there's dangerous. Over there's actually really dangerous. I don't really want to go over there. We're going. But over here is very dangerous. There's these animals. Well, these slimes. But they're very dangerous. And you need chickens to tame them. And I don't have any chickens on me. This is scary. There's these species of slimes. If you mix anything with them, they go evil. So that's why they need chickens. There they are. Those slimes. They need chickens to feed them all. Like the smart person I am, I didn't bring any. You see, they're different. You look over here, you can tell. That slime and those slimes. Those slimes are dangerous. Yeah, we can't go over there. I found it! This is the slime. If you mix anything with, they go dangerous. Those are the kind of slimes. The slime I've got in my hands are really hard to find because they're invisible. But if you mix anything with them, they are dangerous. They will kill you. They'll do anything to kill you. So wait, let's go back to the map thingy. Should be over here. With my parkour. Here. No! It doesn't come back up. No! Wait, M. So I've been on the edge of the map. You guys haven't seen that bit though yet. Here. I need to go back. This is how I got here. I haven't been that way. I know where we're meant to go. Let's go. I kind of want to get my hunter slime back though. Because they're really rare. Well, they're not rare, but they're hard to find. What should I mix them with? The honey slimes? Nah. I've had those before mixed. I'm just gonna leave this here. Over here we haven't been. This way might be the way. Do you know the way? Nope. Here's the way! So. No, it's not! No! I can't open this! I can't open that. I've heard that music before. I can't do there. I can't do here. Anywhere but here. You don't want to go. Actually, no, we're not opening that. I'm sorry, guys. We're opening that at the very end. Now, that does unleash us to a very new world. A completely new world. A world that you guys are never going to be able to see. Well, you will be, but not yet. And how do I get those? I think our camp's here. Our camp's here. Yeah, I found that camp. That's where we came. We go through there. We don't own that yet. Or that. Or that. Over here. If you open here, you unleash all of this. Until about here. That's where we got the big slime. So that's where we got the other slime. So that's over there. I know how to... We've been all over there. There! That's where we need to be. How do we get there, though? I know how. Adventurous. We want to go this way. Because you guys haven't been this way yet. I don't think you guys have. Oh no, you have. You went with me just a second ago. So let's go. The danger way. Yo, what's up? I hate going through there. Oh, wrong way. This is the way. I don't know. I'm looking for the crystal slimes, by the way, guys. If you, because you guys are like, probably like, what are you doing? You're just running around speaking about random things. What are you actually trying to do? Try to look for the crystal slimes. There has to be something else here. Where am I? There is. How do I get there, though? Above me. I have to get up there somehow. I don't know. Up here. Across there. Yeah, we don't want to go there. That's dangerous. Oh no, I thought it regened. No, it didn't, because I was in my map. Silly boy. Okay. We'll wait for the bar, the blue bar to regen. The energy bar. No! We have to somehow get up there. Let's see. We might be able to go over here. And climb up here. Yeah, we will. We can do this. Okay. Regen. Come on. Come on. Regen. Regen. I'm holding myself on. Oh. I'm up. I told you this would work. That was hard work. I think this is what it means. Yep. I was right. Over here should be another world. I'm correct. It's just getting back is going to be harder than it probably seems to be. Another one of you. I don't know what you guys do yet, so I'm not going to bother carrying. Don't want to lose this hunter slime. Oh no. Maybe it's there we're meant to go. Oh no, I've been there. We were looking over here. We've gone the wrong way. Oh, I can't believe that. I've gone the wrong way. I've gone around in a circle. Then where is the crystal slimes? They have to be over here. That has to be their area. Otherwise it's there. How do I get there though? How do we get there? Okay, I'm gonna have to go somewhere. Let's go back home. I have an idea. I'm gonna meet you guys back home in just a second.
2,000 years later.
So we're back with Hunter Slime, and he's been eating very well with these cool Hunter crystals. So let's see how much these cost, eh? 65. Ooh, juicy. So right then, wait, have we opened this area up? No, I thought we did then. I was like, oh wow, when did we buy that? I'm gonna have to check what we can buy. Pulse wave, adding just okay. Power core. Okay, tank booster, MK twice. Okay. Oh, actually, we could do that. So let's. Oh, you guys need feeding. You guys like veggies. So 6 will do for 3. What the hell are you doing now? No. You like just eating chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, well that's something we have to fix, don't we? It's your walls. Your walls once again. Well, I guess I could put you guys in. Hang on. And I'm back. So yeah, this is a day ago. I last did the video. So I'm gonna take these up. I'm gonna take them over here. I'm gonna pop them in here. I really don't remember what we did, really. I just had to watch over the footage. So we actually need to get you guys some chickens. God, we've got so many of these chickens. Do we have any normal chickens? Oh yeah, we have 3. And not stones. No, chicken. Actually, you can eat him. Oh no, that's a bad idea. So let's feed you 3. Just for now. Hey, chicken, come back. So get the chicken. Pop you in there. Oh my god, a chicken got in the way and boosted him out. So now chicken go in there. Good. Now I need to take all of you guys out. Wait, I only have 3. Oh, put you in there. You slimes are very naughty. Gotta say. Whoops. That's my dog. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, there's another one. You guys are pretty dope, I gotta say. Now this part will be very short because I am meant to be editing this video and posting it today. So yeah. Oh, I still have pink plots. Jeez, I have a lot of them. Wait, what do pink honey slimes look? Wait, what'd you guys eat again? Fruits. I want to see what you guys look like, actually. I'm going to mix them in a minute, but not with my slimes. I'm going to feed one of you guys. Eat one. Come on, be a good boy. Do what you're meant to do, Dad. Do what you want to do to Daddy. Be a good boy. Eat that. Good boy. Give me that. If you do look pretty cool, we're gonna mix you guys. Oh, I've seen what they look like. What do tabbies look like though? So we might have mixed tabbies and that. I just need to find a tabby. That's the hard part. Oh yeah, if you guys want me to see opening those doors, well, yeah, the lock, then please comment down below. Open door. Next video. Right. I'm saving that tabby slime. No, there's too many. Right, what do you actually look like? Eat this. No! Oh, good boy. Eat that. Eat it, please. Finding you is really hard. Well, you look pretty dope. I'm gonna take you home. Don't worry. Huh. I'm saving you. Don't worry. You little tabby slime have been saved. Well, you guys have seen a honey and tabby slime bit mixed there. Whew. Well, I'm gonna need to buy a new pen though. I have the money. What the hell have you been doing there? Come here. And you're not going over there. Go over in this back corner. I just took you the whole way home. Be a good boy. Oh, he landed right inside of it. Oh, high walls. No. Oh, I can't afford that. So we're going to take you three. Oh no, I can't leave you behind. I'm going to put you in there with him. Now we're going to feed that tabby slime. You guys are going to feed off of him. So you guys need to eat now in that one. Come on, little guy. Come on, little guy. Come on, little guy. Get there. You're almost there. You're so close. You get that one instead. Come on, eat that. Good boy. So now we've got 4. Which is dope. Do you guys actually have an I don't think you do. Well, you guys are definitely having an internet. There's 4 of you. That's a lot. I think I'm going to leave it up today. If you guys want me to fill these 2 corals, then go down below and subscribe, comment what slimes you want to have in this next box. Oh no, wait, you're in there. In this box. Oh, actually, what you want me to mix with him. Because I'll do it. There's radioactive slimes. So, what we might be able to find. There's crystal slimes. We might mix a crystal slime actually with him. I think that's a good idea. If you guys think that's a good idea, then comment down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Bye guys.